Hello, Sim Tech Bros. We've got a new product in from Creative and it's their latest Aurvana series. This is the Aurvana Ace, which is going to give you a quick first look at unboxing today. And look, there's new technology in these with the MEMS, or what they're called xMEMS drivers, LE audio, Qualcomm aptX adaptive, and you've got 24 hours of battery life. And that's pretty much it. You've got CVC, clear voice capture as well. Got a decent enough battery life too. You've got ANC built in as well. You've got an app, and of course you've got your aptX audio codec as well, which is really cool. So we'll have to check all that out. But this just give you a look what they're like. A few people have been asking about them, so we'll unbox them today. Then we'll test them out and come back to you. If you have any questions in the meantime, you know what to do. So let's get them out and have a look. We will peel off these stickers and open up here. Of course, you've got a QR code here for creative.com Aurvana Ace. That's pretty much inside there. This is the case here, and inside you get your booklet like so. All different languages there, and it'll tell you what you've got. So you've got your volume, skip tracks, voice assistance, all that kind of stuff there, master resets, charging and battery status and all that. But so we'll be looking at that in the full review as we always do. And in here we have got extra tips and of course a cable. USB-A, USB-C. So you've pretty much got what you'd expect to find in with your earbuds. So let's have a look at the earbuds themselves. Okay, so we got a sticker on the back. You've got Aurvana written up front. Button here, LED here, USB-C here. And you've got this little guy here. And that's what they look like inside. Let's check that magnet. They ain't budging, so we'll pop them out, and that's even with the bit of tape you get on to stop them from connecting and all that kind of stuff. So we'll take that off and we'll take this off here. So that's what the earbuds look like there. You can see you've got a light popping on with the logo down here in the bottom. This nice gold accent up top. Your tips, your connection points at the bottom there. And then the earbuds themselves in there. So that's basically what they look like. Your typical pair of earbuds with a small enough stem, which is cool. And they're very, very light indeed. And that's all there is to it for the minute. So we're going to get them, set them up, test them out and see what the story is there. It's got left and right on them there as well, so you don't get mixed up. And they're basically just like our typical pair of earbuds. And that's them up close, just so you can see. Oh, by the way, we're filming on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, so let us know how that looks as well. And that's pretty much it. So that's what you can expect for the minute there. This is a quick first look and unboxing from the latest from Creative, the new Aurvana series. Stay tuned for more full reviews soon. So any questions, drop below. And we'll talk to you in the next video on techbuzzireland.com. And that's it for now. See you soon. We'll talk to you then.